Alright, dividing again. Here they want us to clean up the numerator and denominator before we divide anything, which is not my favorite way to do it, but that's fine, it works. So we have 4. Root 54 is like root 9 root 6. And downstairs root 8 is like root 4 root 2. So this cleans up as follows. Root 9 is 3 times 2, or sorry, root 9 is 3 times 4 is 12. Root 6, and we're dividing that by 2 times 3 is 6. Root 2. Now if we divide, we get 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Root 6 divided by 2 is 3. Nothing wrong with this way, it works. I'm kind of used to going the other way where possible, where you divide first and then clean up the result. 8 root 126 over root 112. Well, here they probably have a point, because these are certainly not nice numbers. They could use a little cleanup. 126, what is that? It's 2 times 63. Oh, and 63 has a 9 in it. You can pull a 9 out of here. That leaves you with 14. Downstairs, 112 is 2 times 56. Oh boy, 56 is 4 times 14, I suppose. Yeah, we'll take the 4 out. So root 112 is divisible by 4. 112 divided by 4 is 28. Okay, that's something. Root 9 is 3 times 8 is 24 root 14. Downstairs we have 2 root 28. Now, we're still not done. You see why? There's a couple of things, actually. We could do 24 divided by 2, but the main thing I'm interested in right now is root 28 has another 4 hiding in it. I didn't take it down far enough. So we can call this 24 square root 14 divided by 2 root 4 root 7, which results in 24 root 14 divided by 2 times another 2, and then our root 7. These are finally as reduced as they can get. Now we're ready to divide. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Root 14 divided by root 7 makes root 2. And cube roots. Let's see. How do you split 162? 162 is 2 times 81. 81 is 3 times 27, so I guess that has a cube root. Okay, so I'm going to take a 27 out of here. 162 is divisible by 27. You know what? The right way to do this, instead of just whipping numbers out of the air like I'm kind of doing, remember our perfect cubes. They are 8, 27, 64, 125, and so on. That's how you really check one of these. You go 162 divided by 8, doesn't go evenly. 162 divided by 27 does go evenly. 6 times, it turns out. If that hadn't worked, you try 64, you keep going like that. Sorry, I'll do them that way from now on. The cube root of 128 is divisible by 8. Goes in 16 times. So we get cube root 8, cube root 16. So that's 10 times the cube root of 27 is 3. That's 30. And then we have our cube root 6. Can't do anything with that. Down here, 20 times the cube root of 8 is 2. So 20 times 2 is 40. And then we get cube root 16. You know what? We're still not done. We could take another 8 out of here. 30 cube root 6 divided by 40 cube root 8 cube root 2 makes, running out of space, but I think I can make it, 30 cube root 6 over 40 times 2 is 80, and then we get cube root 2. Now you finally divide. 30 divided by 80 doesn't exactly divide, but we can at least reduce it. It gives us 3/8. Cube root 6 divided by cube root 2 gives cube root of 6 divided by 2. The end. It's the same rules over and over again, but they can make them kind of labor intensive by making these numbers big. So there's a lot of roots and simplification before you're ready to divide.